Hi everyone, it's Kristen. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how we are using goats and sheep to clear some brush and weeds and kind of maintain some of the cleared areas of our property. So if you're like me, you may have come across this video because you are looking to find out what goats and sheep can do for you and how they can help your land or homestead. And because I did the same thing before we got goats or sheep, I wanted to make sure that they were going to be able to do what I wanted them to do. So today I'm going to share with you some before footage. They spent 5 days in this paddock that I'm going to show you, and it was full of brush and weeds and just a little bit of grass, bushes, that kind of thing. And it's super impressive. So I'm excited for you to see it. Like I said, they only spent 5 days in there. We do have sheep and goats running together, which I do feel like really helps. We're using the Premier One sheep net with a really nice strong solar charger on it to keep them in, and that works perfectly for us. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm going to show you the before footage and the after footage, and so you can see what these animals are capable of. June 18th, sheep and goat paddock before.
Want this, Mama? Yeah.
Just going to show a little bit of what's in the paddock. Briars, tufts of grass, lots of weeds, and brush, a few trees. Some of that cane, native cane that grows here. Let's see how long it takes them to eat this down. Good morning, girls. So as you can see, this is after 5 days of 3 baby Nigerian dwarf goats, which is one of the smallest breeds, and 2 little, like 2.5-month-old lambs. So mostly all that's left is, for whatever reason, they didn't really like that type of grass. And then just some briars, which they have bit off the top of for the most part. But for whatever reason, I mean, if we had left them in here for longer, I'm sure they would have eaten those down. As you can see, they like the leaves. It's just that we ended up moving them, I guess, before they finished everything off. Here's the view from this side. All that cane is gone. The really bushy brush that was over here is all gone. Very impressive what they were able to do in just 5 days, being so young. I'm just so excited to see what they're going to do as they get older and are able to kind of do more damage, so to speak, in a smaller amount of time.